Hello students, now we are going to start chapter 3 rational numbers as decimals. Okay, so the topic is about decimals. So if you see here, do you remember how to write the fraction in decimal form? See here, if this 5 upon 10 they have given, this is in fraction form, 5 upon 10, and the answer 0.5, this point you can see it is in decimal form. Okay, so this is in fraction form and this is decimal. Here 13 upon 100 is in fraction form and 0.13 is decimal form. So further we can see any fraction having denominator as 10, see here we can see, or the power of 10 like 10, 100, 1000, we can see here 10, 100, 1000. Okay, so any fraction having denominator as 10 or power of 10 can be easily represented in decimal form. It means then whenever 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 numbers are there in the denominators, it becomes easy to give decimals. Okay, so let's see worksheet 1. So worksheet 1 question is express the following rational numbers as decimals. They have given it in fraction form, so we have to convert this into decimals. But here first we have to convert the denominators into 10, 100, and then we can convert it into decimals. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we wrote the question, worksheet 1. First question is 9 upon 8. Now here 9 upon 8, we have in the denominator we must have 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, so right now we don't know what we have to multiply over here. So what we will do, we will try dividing 8 by 100 or 1000. Okay, so let's start with 100. If we divide 8 by 100, so 8 ones are 8, 2 comes down, 8 3s is 24, 8 2s are 16, 4 comes down. Okay, further we cannot divide. Next we will try 1000. Here 0 must come in the denominator as in the remainder. Now after that we will try with 1000. So I am dividing 8 by 1000. So again 8 ones are 8, 2 comes down, 10 minus 8, 2. Then this 0 comes down. So 8 2s are 16. Okay, 4, 20 minus 16 is 4. Then this 0 comes down here. So 8 5s are 40. See, I got the remainder as 0. So 1000. In the denominator it will come 1000. And 8 multiplied by 125 will give us 1000. Got it? So what we are going to multiply by 8? 125. Okay, so I will multiply 125 by 8. So what I will get? 1000. Okay, 100 we tried here. See, we tried with 100, but we are not getting the remainder as 0. So this is not the answer. Okay, so 8 into 125 we get 1000. So down we multiplied. So up also we will multiply by 125. Now you can multiply 125 into 9. As you know the multiplication, I am showing only this one. So 9 5s is 45, 9 2s are 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 2, 11. So what I got? 1125, 1125. Now we got this in fraction form. Further now I am going to write only the number 1125. Okay, only the numerator I wrote. Now here in the denominator how many zeros are there? 1 2 3. So counting from this side, one side, so counting from here I will go 3 space. Okay, 1 2 3. Why 3? 3 zeros are there. Okay, so 1 2 3, and in front of this I will put the point. So what is the answer? 1.125. Okay, now we will do the next sum. And for further you must remember that 8 into 125 gives you 1000. Okay, now next question, 615 upon 125. Okay, now here we see we got 125. Again if you see 8 into 125 is 1000. So if you multiply 8 over here, 125 into 8, like this only, so we'll get again 1000. So we'll do like that only. 615 upon 125. See, 125 same. So here it is multiplied by 8. So we'll multiply 8 here. Okay. So up also we will multiply by 8. So 125 into 8 is what? 1000. Now 615 multiply by 8. 615 multiply by 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 plus 4, 12. 6 8s are 48. 49. 4920. What I got? 4920. Okay. So now what I will do? I will write this 4920 only over here, the numerator. And in the denominator, how many zeros I got? 1, 2, 3. So from here, from this side, one side, unit side, I will start counting 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. And here I will give the point. After 1, 2, 3, then here. Okay. So what I got? 4.920. Okay. Now next sum. 1 upon 16. Okay, again here we don't know which number we must multiply by 16, that we will get 100, 1000 or whatever. 8 we multiplied by 125, we get 1000. Now 16 is a bigger number compared to 8. So here also denominator will get bigger number. So we'll try the bigger number. Okay, we won't try 100 divided by 16. Why? Because 100 divided by 8 also we didn't got the answer. Okay, so 16 is a bigger number. So what we will try? We will try 1000 or 10,000. If you want to check, you can try with 1000 divided by 16. Now 16 once the 16 we cannot take. 10 is smaller than 16. We will take the 3 numbers. Okay, 3 digit numbers. So 16 5 is 80. 16 6 6 36, 96 we get. So we will write 16 6 96. 100 minus 96 is what? 4. This 0 comes down. So 16 2 32. See, the remainder is 8. So we cannot divide this. So now we will try next what? 10,000. Okay. So we will divide by 16 again. So again we will take these 3 numbers. So 16 6 96. 100 minus 96 is 4. Okay, see this one. And then this 0 comes down. It becomes 40. Now 16 2 is 32. So 40 minus 32 is what? 8. Then this 0 comes down. It becomes 80. So 16 5 is 80. So I got 0 as the remainder. So 16 when we multiply by 625 we get 10,000. Got it? So we are going to multiply 16 by which number? 625. So I'll multiply 16 by 625. What I will get? 10,000. Okay. So up also here I will multiply by 625. So 1 into 625 is what? 625. Now I will write only the numerator 625. Now down here how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. So I will start counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no number. So I will put 0. See 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and then here I will put the point. 0. So if I put here also I will put 1 0. So it is 0.0625. Okay. Next. Minus 3 upon 4. Okay. So again I will write minus 3 upon 4. Now 4 multiply by what number? I will get 100,000 or what? Here if we see 8 was not able to divide by 100. We are getting remainder. But 4 is smaller than this. Right? 100 divided by 4. So 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 8 is 2 and this 4 5s are 20. Okay, 0 0 we get. So 4 into 25 and we know that 25 4 times comes 100. Okay, so 4 into 25. So up also we will multiply by 25. So 4 into 25 is how much? 100. So 25 into 3 will be 75. Okay, 25 into 3 multiply you get 75. Now I will write only 75 here, the numerator. Down I got how many zeros? 1, 2. So I will count from here. 1, 2. So I will put point here. Okay, and as there is no number, I will write 0. 0.75. We don't say 75. After point we say 75. Here 0.0625. Like this we say. Okay. Now next question. 59 upon 200. Okay. So 59 upon 200. So now here 200 is there, 2. Now we know that 2 5s is 10. Right, see here. 200. See these 2 zeros I wrote here, and 2 into 5 if I do, 2 5s are 10. Right, directly also we can do this. Here see, here the numbers were different, so we didn't know which number to divide. But 2 we know that 2 5s is what? 10. Okay, so 2 5s is what? 10, this 10, and remaining 2 zeros I wrote, I got 1000. Okay, so I will multiply 200 by 5. So up also will multiply by 5. So what I will get? 2 5s are 10, and these 2 zeros I will get 1000. Okay, and 59 multiplied by 5 you do, you get 295. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll write only the numerator. And how many zeros are there in the denominator? 1, 2, 3. So I will count 1, 2, 3, and I will put the point here. Okay, and here I will write 0. So it is 0.295. Okay, now next question. Now one more thing I just forgot. Here it was minus 3 upon 4. So this answer will be minus 0.75. Okay. Now next, sixth one, minus 24 upon 25. Minus 24 upon 25. So again I will write the question. Now here, previously also we did 25 into 4 is what? 100. So same 25 is here. So I will multiply by 4. 25 4 times it gives you 100. So up also will multiply by 4. So what I get? 24 into 4 is 96. This minus signs come. And 25 into 4 is 100. So I will write 96 first like this. Write down how many zeros I have? 2. So 1, 2. We put the point here. Okay. Then put 0. 0.96 and put the minus sign. Okay. Next. Minus 53 upon 250. Okay. Now here again I will write minus 53 upon 250. So what number I will multiply here? That I will get 1000. Okay. See, if we see here 25 into 4 was 100. And here 250 into 4 if we do, we get 1000. See, 25, only 25 into 4 is 100. So if we do 25 into 400 and one more 0 is there. So I will get 1000. And like also you can see 250 plus 250 is 500. And 250 plus 250 more, we'll get 500. So 500, 500, 1000. So 4 times 250 will give you 1000. Okay, so up also will multiply by 4. So 53 into 4 is what? 212. Okay, 212. So I will write 212. Down, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 zeros are there. So 1, 2, 3. So I put the point here. And then here 0 I will put, and they have minus sign over here. Okay, so this is minus 0.212. Okay, now next question. 47 upon 400. 47 upon 400. Same as we see here. See 4. 4 into 25. We get 100. So what we have? 400. So more 2 zeros will come. So 47 upon 400 into what we did? 4 into 25. Same we will do into 25. But here 4 into 25 we got 100. Because there was no 0. Direct 4 into 25, 100. here what, 4 into 25, 100, and these two zeros, what we get, 10,000. Okay, 400 into 25 is 10,000. Here up also we will multiply by 25. So 47 into 25 will give you 1175. 1175. So I will write 1175. Now down how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the point here. And 0. 0.1175. Okay. Next question. 27 upon 800. Okay. So we'll write again 27 upon 800. Now here what number we will multiply? So previously what we have done in the first question, if you see, we multiplied 8 by 125. So we got 1000. 8 multiplied by 125. Same here we are going to multiply by 125 only. 800 multiplied by 125. So what we'll get? See, 8 into 25, what we got previously? 1000. 8 into 25, 1000. And how many zeros are more here? 2 zeros. Got it? So we got 1 lakh. If you see, this is 1 lakh. Okay. So here up also I will multiply by 125. So 27 multiplied by 125 will get 3375. Okay. Now we will write the numerator 3375. Now how many zeros are there? Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. So we start counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then here point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then here point, and then 0. Okay. If number is not there, we have to put 0. This is equal to. Okay. Now next question. 139 upon 625. Okay. So I will write it again. 139 upon 625. We will multiply by what number? So previously if we see third question, 16 multiplied by 625, we got 10,000. 16 and 625 we multiplied. We got 10,000. So same here we'll multiply 65 into 16. We will get 10,000. So up also we will multiply by 16. Okay, so what we will get? 139 into 16 is 2224. 2224. Now again we will write the numerator, and how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will write 1, 2, 3, 4. I will put the point here, and then 0. 0.2224. Okay. Now next. 3186 upon 1250. Okay, I will write the question again. 3186 upon 1250. Now if you see, 125 is what? 125, and then 0 is there. Okay, 125. So 125 into 8, right? See, 8 into 125, right? So same here. So here 8 into 125, what we got? 1000, right? 8 into 125 we got 1000. So I will write 1250 into 8. So only this, see, 125, only this into 8 we get 1000, and here one more 0 is there, so I will put one more 0. Okay, so up also will multiply by 8. 3186 multiply by 8, what I get? 25488. Okay, 25488. I will write it 25488. Now here how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will put the point here. So it is 2.5488. Okay. Here you can remember, you can by heart it also, like 25 and 25 comes, you will multiply by 8. 625 comes or 16 comes, you will multiply by either 625 by 16 or 16 by 625. Again 25 and 4 comes, 25 comes, you will multiply by 4. 4 comes, you will multiply by 25. 2 comes, you will multiply by 5, 200 comes, we will multiply by 5, 250 comes, same, 25 into 4. Okay, so remember this 4 numbers. Now next, 12th question. 133 upon 25. Okay, so now you know what we have to do. 25 comes, so 25 into 4 we will do. So up also will multiply by 4. So 25 into 4 is what? 100. And 133 into 4 is 532. So I will write 532. How many zeros are down? 1, 2. So from here 1, 2. Put the point here. Okay, 5.32. Okay, so now basic thing to remember that in any time in the question, if you get 25 in the denominator and you have to make like 10, 100, thousands in the denominator, so 25 will be multiplied by 4. Remember this. Okay, so 4 into 25, 8 will be multiplied by 125. Okay, 16 will be multiplied by 625, and one more there, 2 is there, 2 into 5. These 4 numbers you remember. 2 into 5 will give you 10. Remember this. 4 into 25 will give you 100. 8 into 25 will give you 1000. And 16 into 25 will give you 10,000. Okay, so you basically remember all these things. 16 and 25, the pair, 16 and 25, 8 and 1, 16 and 625, 8 and 125, 4 and 25, 2 and 5. Okay, so it won't be difficult. Then you don't have to divide and check. Directly you can do the sum. So in this way we have completed worksheet 1 of chapter 3.